Yo, yo, good morning, everybody. We got here. Good morning, Legrand, Spatas, Benji, Dama, Parker, W, and Pippo, Mr. Funded. How we doing? Congratulations on that account, bro. Man. Yeah, and you deserve it now. I mean, you worked for it, so... keep doing what you did on it, and, yeah. Huge W, bro. YouTube. Who we got on YouTube? Anybody there? The other boys, so AB, he can't join today. And George is gone for the whole week because of wedding and stuff. But Aaron should be here soon and Luz too. But in the meantime, let's break the charts down and see what Goldie's doing. Yeah, okay. Yesterday, what a bleeder. So daily is pretty interesting. We tried to break out of this resistance, out of this range multiple times. Kinda we pushed up, we didn't close the above, then we came down, grabbed those lows, tried pushing up again, breaking those highs, but was just kind of a liquidity grab here to go down. And then we closed below this range now, and we already have a top wick on the daily and retested these zones. So maybe we can go down from here and break these lows and even fill this wick on the daily time frame. So yeah, let's check out the forward time frame. Okay, looks like we just created a nice resistance up here, and we already broke these lows on the current forward. So what would be nice is if we can re-break those highs and then come back down to re-break those lows, because then what we have is some liquidity being grabbed here, buyers getting in, and then definitely getting out on the forward lows, and we're gonna have more sellers, aka us, also stepping in into sells, and then I think there's a lot of clean range to come down until these supports, and maybe even, you know, we maybe even break these supports and fill this wick for the rest of the day. So I think there's a lot of potential to the downside. 1 hour time frame, let's check this out. Looks like we just have a breakout on the 1 hour time frame. We had this wick here to fill, which we already did for like 70 to 80% of it. So now it's rejecting, trying to get back in this range. 1 hour still doesn't have a bottom wick, so we gotta scale down. 30-minute, let's see. Pretty much the same. I mean, we got a little more going on right here, so let's mark this up and check the 15-minute. Okay, we can move this up a little bit. But yeah, overall the same. So now I wouldn't jump on the 1 hour sells like that, but we have excuse me, we have some clean range below here until 47.56. So, and we also have a fresh support right here at this support, and we grabbed the pack on this candle. So if this 50 now closes below, sells look pretty good. Otherwise, we wait for the other plan where we grab the highs of the 4 hour, and then we come back down and we get some closures below here somewhere, and then we break the lower the 4 hour lows again, and we push. For buys, we would need range to buys above here, something like, you know, something like this. And that's the plan. Did you guys catch some trades already? Good morning, Orchid. Good afternoon, good evening. Lewis. Good morning, bro. How was Asia? Thank you. How was Asia?
It was slow actually. We really we didn't catch anything.
Yeah, I saw it kind of slow. Oh man. Did you see Pitbull pass this account?
Hey, purple, let's go. We're still all right. Now, what do you want for top step standard? Usually, I would say it's more the standard people. Like you don't have to worry about hitting any consistency rule. You know, all you have to worry about is just 150 or more. But really, I honestly don't think it's better to do the. I think it's better to do the standard because you know you can hit those 5 days. You don't have to hit those 5 days in a row. You can take 7 days or something and hit that 150 every day, and then you'll be good for a payout. Now consistency, you would have to keep trading until you hit that. No matter how long that takes you. So it'd be more of a challenge than anything to keep up with that kind of stuff.
I agree. Also, if you have the consistency rule on it, then you're not able to just, on one day you maybe make 4K because the markets will give it to you, but then you're in trouble because your consistency went up. So now you gotta catch another banger trades on the next days to be even eligible for the payout. Because yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And on the 5 days one, like Lou said, you just the 150 days you can get them like any day pretty much. And then those big hits they will come naturally. Like yesterday, for example, I only took base hits so far, and then I took a one big hit. So yesterday was like the first big trade this account catched, and now I would be in trouble on the 3-day payout one.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, I've done the consistency with other prop firms, and I mean it's not that bad, but I still prefer the 150. I do the same thing with Lucid, so it's just better. Dang, I just saw her in this message.
Which one?
Oh, what's up?
Oh. Okay, we coming down. Nice. The only thing I don't really like are those wicks.
Yeah, those wigs.
Yeah, they look kind of ugly. But the liquidity grab here is good. Good morning, ASD. Legend.
Hey,
Maleko.
Lee, good morning. Maleko. Good morning, good afternoon. Whew. Hey.
Anybody got these cells for London? They don't really look good.
ASD, yeah, I have. I've gotten a few. I've gotten a few from them.
Hey, thanks OGH. Good morning, bro.
OGH.
Hmm.
Yeah, this thing may want to bleed now.
Hey, we got 3 minutes. Let's see if it closes below. Leaves a wick. And then if you get a top wick on the next candle, I'm interested to sell it. But we gotta be careful because the 30 minute is still open, so could still flip. How they do the payout on Lucid? What options do
What do
they have?
you like? You talking about like wire or or what do you mean?
Yeah,
Or do
probably.
you mean or you mean more like the rule to get a payout? Hey Jay, morning
AJ.
man.
If this 15 closes inside the range, it's also not bad. Then we can wait for the 30 minute to close below.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the 30 can stay where it's at now. That'd be nice.
Oh yeah, true. Oh yeah, I think Lucid has the fastest payouts, right? Luz, how quick
Oh
was that
yeah,
one for
yeah,
you?
yeah. Yeah, I timed it one time. It's because I seen this guy on YouTube do it one time. He timed it to where he wanted to see how fast they were. Um, and I timed it myself, and I kid you not, I got the payout in my bank within what was it? I think it was like 4 minutes.
They're just waiting to press that button for you to press that button, and then they just instantly send it out.
Yeah, it was real quick. That's why I like using because they pay you out quick. I know for Top Step, I requested one on Sunday, and it's what's today, Thursday or
Yeah,
Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Yeah, it's Wednesday, and I just got it. Well, they just sent it. I still gotta get it.
But we gotta say, Luz is American, so if you're from Europe or any other,
Yeah, it could be different.
yeah, it's gonna be different because then obviously the whole banking system
Mm.
gonna take a little longer. But they're sending out quick, so that's
Yeah,
a good thing.
yeah, it could be true. But yeah, I send it straight to my bank. So that may be why it's faster. I'm not sure, but I just know they approve everything pretty quick. Well, at least in my experience, all the payouts I've gotten from them, it's been pretty fast.
Nice. I could take a payout right now on Top Step, but I want another win before I take it. Like at least one big win. So maybe it's gonna be this trade we're playing out right now. Yesterday, dang, imagine I held that NQ trade longer. Both of us.
Man, man, when AB told me about that, I didn't see that, but that would have been the trade of the day.
Yo, look at NQ by the way, right now. It just pumped up.
Yeah, it's about to break the high again.
Yeah. Got all-time highs sitting right here. Interesting. I guess we're gonna sweep them and then come back down.
Good. You could also now use that as a support.
Goalie trying to bleed. Even if you wanna take it from here.
Yeah, I get you.
Stops are here. Yeah, gotta wait. Doesn't Lucid also have crypto payouts?
I don't know. I haven't looked at that yet. Well, at least I haven't seen it, but I don't know. That's a good question.
Oh. Spartas, how you doing?
Okay, what is NQ?
You're lagging a little bit, your
I
voice.
mean, based off.
Is it your internet or is it Discord?
It could be.
I think now it's fine though.
I think it's both for me.
Could be.
It could be both.
Yeah, could be.
But based off the 4 hour, it's still the same.
I think it's okay right now.
So based on the 4 hour on NQ, um, you had a weak closure, but it's closing below that resistance.
Hmm.
Um, so I think you're right. I think it can just grab the highs and then come back down. Just because we haven't closed above that resistance there on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 1 hour is also everything has closed below. This hour opened up with no bottom wick. So it does make sense for it to grab the highs and then come back down. And the 15. Yeah, it would just make sense for it to kind of just push a little bit. Dang, but it may push and maybe hit 27,000 today. Yeah, we'll just have to see. I think it's better to wait for NYC open and see what it does once market is open. But I can still see these buys playing out at 26,741. But that may be closer to NYC open.
Oh, all the way down.
Yeah, yeah, you see that support there right there.
Yeah, this one.
Um, yeah, because the last that's the last support we did before we broke out of that
Hmm.
choppy range we
Yeah,
were in yesterday.
close above here.
Yeah, so I can see buys playing out from there, but I think we just need to wait for NYC open. Or do we have news today?
Nah, no news today. Just some yellow later.
Oh,
Oil.
okay. Yeah, it's better to just wait on volume, because typically those moves will play out, but with volume.
Yeah.
So we'll give it some time. Let's let NQ cook, and then we'll be back.
Yeah, sounds good. Gold grab the lows and back up.
Yeah.
But that's good for us, because now if you re-break those lows, if you want to take sells, if this candle somehow closes for a setup, then this is a better confirmation now, because we already, you know, faked out to the upsides. Even better if this breaks the highs and then comes back down and closes bearish. Then it looks really, really good for us. I hope that makes sense for, I don't know, if we get some new people on YouTube, maybe. Drop a 1 if that makes sense. Because it's important to understand why we want this candle to break the highs and why it's not good for us that we broke the lows and reject. Because those are like the key things you need to know for basically every strategy. This is just, you need to know how the markets move, what liquidity is, and how it works. My payout's still on my Rise account for 10 days. Every time I want to withdraw it, I get some problem. It's really annoying. Oh, Rise or Wise? With a W, because I used Wise before, and I had problems with them getting trading payouts. They didn't really like that, and then they banned me. And now Rise, I don't know.
Oh, that's the one you're using.
It's the same. Wait, let me Google this. Gotta see the logo. Nah, I wasn't using Rise. I was using Wise with a W. So, I don't know. Never used Rise. Tama, that's a good question. I don't know. I just know Wise. So I opened a business account there. And as soon as I took one payout from TopStep, they closed my account and said I'm not able to keep using it because they don't want anything to do with crypto. Or I'm like, what? It's a TopStep payout.
That's crazy.
That's not crypto. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe don't create a business account there and then you're fine. But I don't know how how much the German government will interfere. I don't know why MFU use them. It's the only option there. I don't like if prop firm has only one option to pay out. If it's not a bank
Yeah,
transfer.
no, no.
I mean, bank transfer should always be an option. I don't know why not. Well, at least put crypto as an option too then. Because crypto payouts are the fastest ones. You basically request them, and then like lose a few minutes later, you're gonna have it in your bank account. But no matter where you are, even if you're in Europe. Nah, Lydia, it is allowed to trade crypto on TopStep. It's just I don't know, Wise, the banking system. They don't like when people make money with crypto over their platform. So I don't know. They just read TopStep and some that you can trade crypto on there, and I was gone. On a wallet? Yeah, on a wallet. But I mean, your wallet can be on a platform like Coinbase. But you can also have your own wallet, you know. Phantom for Solana. Yeah, hard wallets if you want to hold them. Soft wallets if you're trading. I mean, if you're just getting a payout and you just want to, you know, swap the Bitcoin or Ethereum into dollars or euros anyway, it doesn't really make sense to put them on a hard wallet because you're just selling them instantly. So, yeah. But if you plan on holding, it definitely makes sense to get a hard wallet and just store them offline. Don't put them online if you put them away for like 10, 20 years. But also don't lose your seed phrase.
Dang, is the 30 gonna close above?
Yeah, we might. We just grabbed the lows again. So, dang. We might come for that forward top wing now. So, what we planned in the beginning was come up, we re-break the forward highs, and then we come back down, and the re-break of those lows should give us a lot of volume to push down. So, looks like we're trying to do that right now. Let's see.
Pushed all the way down.
We got a 30-minute that closed below, but we need a top wick. We don't have a top wick right now, so nothing we can do right now. We could wait on this 15. Maybe it comes back up, gives a top wick at some point, and then closes below. And then the sells are ready. But if we just jump on this now, it could play out definitely with all the volume we have, but this would go against my plan. We don't do that.
Wow, dope. That's crazy move.
What a crazy 1 minute. Do we have some TJL going up on here, or what's going on the 1 minute? I mean, look at this tap and drop.
I feel like on the 15, like the 15 TJL, if I'm not wrong. But I think I think it would have been one of those that we didn't get activated by one pip. Yeah, it didn't tap that throw by one pip. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's probably nothing. I mean, probably just a change of character there.
Yeah. We broke character as we closed below here. So
Yeah.
we got bearish, and then we would make sense if we come up and
Yeah, that
break the
would be a
highs
sales
again.
right there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think that's where Alex has his sales too.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna have a sell limit here, or what? Man, I'm just too afraid if I don't have the AB confirmation. It's not my time yet to execute on that strategy like a madman. But if I'm watching it, if
Yeah,
it
that
plays
was
out,
me.
yeah, go on.
That was me in Asian also. Like I felt like there was a move that could possibly be there, but I'm like I'm not like an expert yet, so let me just watch it.
Yeah, yeah. Because if you just take something and then AB in the on the next one, it's it wasn't valid, and then you feel stupid because you took it. Nah, just wait on it. But it would make sense for the plan that we drew out in the beginning too. We come up, we re-break the forward high, and we drop. Right? This is what we planned on the higher time
Also,
frame
it
too.
hasn't broken that.
Yeah, true.
So it hasn't broken up so high.
Tried. And then we broke the lows and we didn't push.
Yeah.
So yeah,
I was like,
I
oh,
would
you're
think
just
this
playing games.
sells here look pretty good. But like I said, we just gonna watch it. Or should I buy a combine? I think Comex was already. Oh no. Wait.
Oh yeah, timer. Wait, is he asking for something else?
1430. No. No. Comex is 1420. This was Comex volume on the 15 here. I think it's the 20-minute, 5-minute candle. So should be, yeah, here came the volume in Comex. Yep. But we never grabbed those highs. Close. Za Trader, ni hao. Lose, maybe we gotta take this on like 2 MGC just to make AB proud.
I'll execute on it. I'm down.
So what would be the smartest move? We have the sell limit here, and then how much is it to the top? Okay, so the steepest stops are only 106 pips. Pips. So even if we go for the steepest stops, it's not that steep.
Yeah, on a light.
Yeah,
A light entry, it'd be good.
I'll put 2 MGC here.
That'd be the rebreak of the 4 hour and come back down. See, Golden, come on. Stop playing.
You can also go risk-free after 25 pips. And then bring the stops to this. Or maybe go risk-free after 29. Let's see. Yep, Alex, I agree. The only thing that I like that we didn't grab the 4 highs yet. So we tried that, but we didn't do it.
Four-hour look. If it flips.
Yo,
Yo,
Gucci, my brother.
Aaron,
Aaron. We got a sell limit. We're trying to make AB proud.
Hey, W. Hey, we're always making AB proud.
I think even if it flips to grab those highs, it still has room to come down. Because the previous 4-hour grabbed the highs, so it makes sense for price to keep pushing down now. Especially with volume.
I hope it waits on us now, because I'm also interested in a closure below.
Yep. Just now looking at it.
Yeah. Okay, we just rebroke the 4 lows. Let's see what happens. Okay.
Got volume though.
Yeah, Alex. That's usually how it goes.
That's how the whole week went for most of us. That's why yesterday on
I
NQ
think
I
ever
put
since
mine up.
last week.
Last week?
Yeah, on Thursday.
Yeah. But
We've
yesterday
been getting
too.
missed by a few pips.
And in Asia, and man, happened a couple of times this week.
Game to play.
Legrand's here now. He can comfort everyone.
Come on, Legrand. I need a hug, bro.
Ooh, this 15 and close below.
Yep. Hope it gives us a little top wick.
63, 56, about 60 pips to that support. Oh, this is what we were doing in Asian. I remember that now.
Yep.
Yeah, because I was looking at this. I had this support right here on the 15.
This one?
And this one never, yeah. Wait. Yes, that one. Yeah. So that it never closed anything. Nothing closed below. So the sales made sense. I think more on the 30. But then I looked at it, never closed below. So then I'm like, okay, well then, no,
Yeah.
I don't like this at all.
Yeah, I saw
So that's
the
why
32. Yeah, I remember yesterday.
Yeah, that's why that next 15 never pushed. So I'm like, okay, well then that's good. So then price just kept moving up after that.
Yeah.
So I was glad I let those sales go.
Yeah, that's how easy it is when you follow your rules, right? I mean, didn't close below, can't take it, saved you from a loss.
Yes, sir. Made it easy too.
Yep.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah,
but
just-
15 closed below. Let's
Just
see.
didn't make sense to. Hey, let's go top wick. Yeah, Benji. Yeah, you saw.
Enjoy.
Like to see like a 40 pip top wick.
Is that your brother? Benji? Louis G?
65, 60.
A little bit more.
Okay.
We re-break the highs. If you guys like it, you can take it. I want to see it break the highs one more time for me. I don't really trust this as my stops, and up here would be not worth it for me. So I kind of need a steeper wick on this candle for me. But the move down makes sense, so if you like it, don't let me hold you off. I'm just a little
Yeah,
bit
it'd be
picky
nice if
here.
you can re-break the high.
Yeah, because, you know, I just need one more. I don't even need one more day, but I just want some more profits to take a good payout, so.
Make a little buffer.
Yeah.
Bit more there.
Yeah, a little bit more buffer for the next one.
Yeah.
To run it up.
Yes, sir. You know the law.
Aaron, how you doing, bro?
That's brother. You already know, man.
Let's go.
How you doing, G? On this fine Wednesday.
I am feeling amazing.
Okay, now I'm gonna have a side stop.
Ready to get my day started.
Hey,
Ready to get the day started.
I feel you, bro. A couple trades can fix that. No.
Yeah, let's see.
The zone is tested.
So this is the 4 rebreak of the lows. Yeah.
It's pointing in the right direction.
Like I said, the only thing I don't really like are those wicks on the left. So we might wanna go break even if we tap into this.
Yeah.
Because we could reject from there. But we got some good volume, so let's see if we can get a quick trade here.
We gonna see.
Dang, got slipped
Got slipped, dang.
Typical Lucid.
on trade over 8.
Mm.
Yeah, it's all good.
Okay, I think if we can push through this like once, I might go break even. For partials, I'm gonna close like 3 down here if we get there. And see if we can run this down. But yeah, if you guys like, we can go break even now. We rebroke those lows. I think I'm just gonna... Yeah, I'm gonna wait on that 5 right here. Closing now. Don't pull back too hard. Okay, so if we now re-break those lows on the 5 minute, that's when I'm gonna move my stops to break even. If it now pushes up and hits me out, I'm gonna take a $200 loss. It's okay. Would be a little bit sad. But I feel like we have some good downwards momentum right now, so re-breaking those lows should also give us a little push maybe. Can you do it?
Break those lows.
Break them. It's trying. It's trying.
It's trying.
Needs a little push.
For me, we're looking good to come down to like, yeah, 56.8. I like that. Just break that low, man. Come on.
Might move my stops up a little bit here above those 1 minute wicks, just to have a little room.
Some breathing room.
Yeah, we know how goalies gets wicky.
It's getting wicky. Yeah, come on.
Did we break them?
Try. Yeah, technically, yeah.
Yeah.
Just a tad bit, yeah.
I'm gonna go break even. It's okay if you hit break even for me. But technically, we broke the lows. We shouldn't come.
Yeah, you want to see a move, basically.
Yeah, I want to see a move. It's too risky for me. The potential that we go up now is there, so we can also get another entry.
Anita Max win.
Okay, I'm out.
Anita Max win.
What's up? Could be. Oh, touching now.
Yeah, that's why I don't like, you know, as soon as we broke the lows, it made sense to go break even, as you guys can see. Now we got some volume to the upside. These could still hold, right? This trade is not over. These stops can still hold. We can still drop. But it's kind of scary now being in this position, right? So we already grabbed the lows and now it's pushing towards your stop loss. Maybe we are just not ready to drop yet. We also have the 1 hour closing in 6 minutes, so it might wait on that. But yeah, break even trade, W.
W management, bro. I like that management, personally.
Thanks, bro. Thanks.
Yep.
You need the win so bad. I need the max win.
I need the max win.
I think W attempt though.
Yeah, I think so. Was worth a shot, definitely.
Mm-hmm.
We had some volume, so I just expected a rebreak of the lows to give us the push into partials, you know, and then whatever.
Yep. Totally makes sense.
I like your German strong nerves. And you gotta have some strong nerves for trading.
Yeah, those wicks there on the left are a
Yeah,
problem.
that's the zone I don't like. We didn't got through. Maybe 9:30. We're gonna retry. Yeah, it's there are only a few good clean moves in between. ASD, I see that too. I mean, market open is popping. I don't know if you're trading that, but yeah, last sessions were kinda chopped. Some clean moves in between, but overall just hey, but ASD, that's a good day. Took no loss. You got a win, 20 pips. 20 pips is 20 pips. 20 pips a day still pay you, you know.
Yeah.
And if you're
Yeah,
consistent. Oh yeah, go on, sorry.
Yeah. No, sorry. I was just gonna say after all those BEs, that big win is bound to come.
Exactly. That's also what I wanted to say. Oh, I'm getting a message from Coinbase. ETH is up 5%. Let me see.
Yo. Yeah, if I go off grid, I'm playing.
Yeah, it's about to push through this
I'm about to look.
recent resistance.
Got me all excited. Right. Strike it. Can't get too excited though, you know.
Yeah. Next day we could be 10% down
Right.
again.
Exactly.
It's too quick. I'm only celebrating the next time I'm selling.
Exactly, when I take the bag.
Yeah. And it can't be taken away no more. Let's see when this 15 closes. Looks like we're gonna re-break the lows now. For the third time. Yo, good morning, Sia. How you doing?
Yeah, good morning.
Come on.
Okay, so we got the 1 hour, 30 minute, everything closing up right now. And yeah. I think 9:30 gonna be the move today.
Just wait on it. But yeah.
This 50
Let's
not gonna
see.
close below. Yeah, we inside this range now, which we definitely don't want to trade like. I mean, we would sell right into this. Yeah, maybe we grab those highs now.
On the 4 hour.
Now on the 15, but yeah, on the 4 too. I mean,
Mm.
would be even better. Okay, this might bleed now, but let's see.
Yeah.
I mean, we rebroke those lows so often,
Yeah.
and it didn't bled. So why would it now?
Maybe because it came up a little bit, grab some more. But yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah,
I mean, it could break here. If not, then
it's okay.
oh,
Do your little 10 pip push here.
well,
See?
well, good call. They're playing with it. They're flirting with it, but ain't breaking it. I mean, not driving.
Lead jack, yeah. We all got that BE. But it's all good. It's
Yeah.
coming.
It was close to getting stopped. There it goes. Yeah, the new 1 hour candle. That's true. It's scary. I mean, if you had a liquidity grab on that 15, I would be sure about that move, but we didn't grab it. We didn't grab it. Al management should have just hold full.
Oh, good one. Easy to say that in hindsight, you know.
Nah,
But-
we managed correctly. It's all good. I wanted to go break even when we break the lows. We broke the lows. We didn't push. It's all okay. We still got 930 coming up. But let me delete some lines so we got some more clarity.
This game in the line. Should finish it.
Okay, let's focus on this. So this one is pretty strong for sure. That's why we see a reaction there now. Did we see here? 25 pips.
$25 pepperoni. Man, what a nice day, bro. The sun
Yeah.
is out. 70 degrees, bro. Like, what is going on? What a dope. What's
If we close below here, there should be a good sell right there. Those partials at 20 and we hit
go
W's
finish
here.
Hey, big WC.
Hey, back to Forex FA's AB, W.
He's so funny. Oh man. Maybe what took you so long? Sweet.
So see, what we try to do here is catch the move from up there if we close below here. Up here. What did you do, Amy?
Right.
What did you do? Did you ran
He
into a
stole
wall?
those- He stole those XFAs from someone and they knocked him in the head.
100%.
Ah, man.
Oh, forgot it's GQ AB on Wednesdays.
GQ Wednesdays.
All right.
Couple of missing NQ orders.
Think that could be true.
Hmm. It held stops and tapped top partials.
No comparison. Lewis, bro. Am I coming to Houston or what, bro?
Are you when is that thing or the tournament over?
Holy.
The World Cup tournament?
Damn, go.
Look at that, it played out.
Ooh. All right, back up.
I just drew this. AB, wow. Your strategy is so crazy, man. Look at that.
It's actually wild.
Oh. Should have had the sell limit here, boys.
Right?
But then,
That's looking pretty good that you got out, though. Is Trump talking or something? Like that's like some Trump stuff.
That was out of nowhere. I wasn't ready for that.
I'm like, yo,
I was just drawing still.
I'm like somebody saying something.
But yeah, you see what I mean now? We wanted to take the cells up here and we straight back down, so. Just how this week is. Let's just wait on 9:30. Yeah, Lee Jack, what a spike. But yeah, that's true, AB. That's the reason why LSS is going crazy. I mean, you just saw me drawing these levels out, and then like a minute later, it just pumps up, taps it, and you instantly see basically full profits. And this is just how these trades are. This is how this strategy is based on. So, yeah. I know what I'm gonna study on the weekend again. The boot camp.
The boot camp.
I'm literally looking at all my notes. I'm looking at all my notes right now.
I'm looking at the dual change of character right now. Thanks, Lee Jack. Yeah, I mean, we just followed the plan, right? We said if we gonna rebreak the 5-minute lows, which we did right here, we had a strong 5-minute bearish closure, and then we rebroke those lows after giving this 5-minute a nice top wick. So we would expect to get this push out of it, which we didn't, so we hit BE, it's okay. It's okay. This could have happened anytime too. This liquidity grab to the upside could have just, you know, smashed us out of our position if we didn't win PE, so it's okay. We always catch the next best trade.
Oh, AB, what level is that?
Maybe you gonna get missed again because TND's has his higher than yours. Oh, he left.
Dun-dun-dun-dun.
TND, you gotta activate it.
I don't think it's tapped that level yet.
Ah, it's down here. What's good? What's good? Sly JB. We waiting on 9:30 here. Gold.
He's bugging.
T-
Come on, TND.
Good,
TND.
good slide.
Tell me you're in now.
For a 9:30 impulse.
Be doing the most.
Could be in now.
You want
12
TND?
minutes. 12 minutes. Yeah, I hope it pushes. Give a green candle. Smart TND, smart.
Super smart.
Waiting for that TND entry. See, now we get a clean push down. Why couldn't it, you know, after rebreaking the follows, why couldn't it give us this push?
Red.
The bland.
LeBlanc.
Oh my god. What is gold doing, man?
So Trump's got to be saying something, bro.
let me see if there's something going on. What's
Or tweeting something, bro.
Oh my god. Germany. W.
Good job, Germany.
Yes, even less.
Going down, down.
Nice.
TND, you get that
Yeah,
injury?
TJ.
Hey, Tamir. Of course you did, bro. Tamir's a beast, bro. Dude got the golden eye. W, bro. Love it. Hey, Alex, too.
Let's go, Alex.
Pretty fits.
Fitty.
Right?
And the TGL strikes again.
Little quick fitty.
Yeah, I wonder if you come up to that zone now. I'm definitely gonna take a sell up here if you get there.
NG with a quick fitty. Damn. Everybody on that AB My playbook with that quick fitty.
You guys had your stops below here, right? Below this 15. That makes sense. Nice.
I almost said it, but I didn't want to say it. Forgot we're on YouTube. I gotta say it's AB Mike the GOAT. That's enough said right there.
AB in meetings and hitting TPs.
Hit that
Oh, did it
play.
play out? Oh, yes, sir, it did. Yeah, that's money, Alex. Money, setup, money, everything. Some light,
Dang, AB holding full.
Bro, you're
right?
crazy.
AB gonna have his account right back. Hey, look at Ocker. Look at Ocker.
Girl, let's go.
W.
Yo.
Hey, everyone on YouTube, you gotta get in Lil SumSum. Missing out on these zero drawdown pippas.
General chat. Yeah. Best straight to play straight out of Street of Hormuz. We got Sujay sitting there right now for us.
Oh, shit. That's funny, Mark.
Bro, who needs stop loss when you can take zero peppers? I don't know. I mean, you don't gotta tell us, AB. You know, we know. You gotta tell the other ones that are lost.
Lost in the sauce.
They lost, bro. Thinking they're doing something.
W trade awkward. Nice one.
Big W, Ocker.
AB, what you think about a sell limit from here?
Oh yeah, before he leaves.
What you
No,
mean?
fuck
Come on, mate. It's your boy job.
This ain't Asian,
Um,
AB.
at 4,780. Because we had a change of character on the 15. And then this is wave 3. 3, 4, 5.
Hmm.
But we closed below this one. Let me draw it. You mean we need to close below this now? Haven't seen us since the club. Yeah, we've been doing great. We doing our thing. Got AB teaching us the TJL strategy. But we still execute on the old plays, you know. We do best of both worlds.
You get the best of both worlds. So,
Miley Cyrus.
Holy came in like a wrecking
wife
ball.
my wife was just watching Hannah Montana,
too funny, bro.
and I just heard this song, so that's why I'm laughing. Like a wrecking ball.
Gold when it smashes your stop
funny.
loss.
That was the wrecking ball that hit AB in the head.
For real. I'm out. Fool was trailing WTND. Big W.
Nice, nice, nice.
AB, that's why you didn't show up to Asian. You were getting smacked in the head.
Rest of my head. Dun, 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 dun.
I don't know, might be some impulse here.
Hey, Impulse King alert. Impulse King alert. I need the max win.
Please. One more good win, please.
BRB, yes, sir. No worries. TND.
Yeah, me too.
2.0.
Give me 1 minute.
Okay, count it. No, just kidding.
Yes, yeah, we still execute on the higher time frames, so we're not really missing anything. We just added a little bit more. We add a little bit more sauce to our playbook. So usually when the higher time frames aren't hitting, the sauce is what gives us the payouts.
Yes, sir. We ain't slowing down. You're speeding up.
Yeah, we just have to. I mean, just have to. How do you say it? You have to accommodate yourself. Yeah, open your eyes, accommodate yourself with the market. The market doesn't give you what you want, then it's time to figure it out. There's always a way.
There's always a way.
And where there's a way, there's money.
Y'all using the 5 minute? Sometimes. You just gotta come in a little something, bro. That's what we doing. We doing a little something. You gotta come in. You'll figure it out.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, you gotta
Hop on the Discord.
come through the Discord. Yeah, and you can see how it works. Some crazy trading, I'll tell you, man.
I see you thinking about it. Obviously, you're opening your eyes. Just keep going. Just keep going. You'll get there. You'll get there.
Okay, we got no top wick on the 15. We closed above on the 15, but we closed below on the 30. Yeah. So let's see if we can maybe come up, grab those highs one more time. And then I like the sell stop. But we need to grab those highs. I just can't, you know, impulsively jump into a sell right now just because I'm assuming it goes down. We need the confirmation to grab highs first. Which we sadly never did. So we gotta let it go.
If Impulse King says we let it go, we let it go.
Yeah, I mean it's already gone, so that was no way to get in.
Well, you know what I'm trying to say, bro.
But maybe, I don't know. A level played out twice now. LAB.
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 Lab. We're all thinking the same thing.
Man, just to reiterate, you know, that was such a W break even. Such a W break even, bro. Just way to
Yeah.
read that.
I mean, there were signs to see it. We broke the lows. We had this steep top wick on the 5. And that's why it makes sense to look at the 5-minute too. Because if you're trading the 15, you gotta look at the 5-minute at some time and see what's going on there. And if you see the 5 broke the lows after creating such a steep wick, and we're still not pushing, I mean, at that point you wanna be break even. Because if either you push or you come back up, and eventually we did come back up, so if we held it, I don't know, if we held it full, we probably had full stops before we get partials, because partials was somewhere here. So yeah, gotta be quick with the management sometimes.
W, bro. Yep, baby. Exactly right. There's a reason why we move logically.
Nice call, TND. I like that the TND entries, that next candle is always a juicer.
Yeah, interesting. Super, super interesting.
AB snipe.
Every snipe. Yes, like AB Snipe, he'll get you right, bro. I promise.
Yeah, Sly. Yeah, it's fun. It's a fun way to trade because it's. I mean, you don't see no. You don't see. I mean, I'm not gonna say you don't see drawdown all the time, but most of the time, the drawdown you don't even see that, and you enjoy trades when you're in profits, and when you're in these type of trades, that's all you see, just profits.
And also
It's insane. It's a fun way to trade.
Closing 50% and then letting it rock rule is like it's just not so
Yeah, that's
frustrating
game
getting hit break even all the time and then seeing your moves still play out.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a fun thing that we, you know, that we're building here. And then also, you know, I mean, taking a 0 pip trade is one thing, but then learning how to go risk free is on a different level.
Big W. Taking payouts every week is also great too.
I want to get there again, like last
Hey.
year. This year has been
You there?
slow so far, but I'm building it up right now. Just need one more good trade. One more good trade. We're looking for it.
We're looking for it. We usually get hit break even on a higher time frame. It's because we didn't know the TGL thing on the lower. Yep. That's why you got to expand the knowledge, you know? Sly, gonna actually consider it. Been struggling a bit this year because the old playbook. Exactly, bro. And that's basically, I mean, you said it yourself, you know? So, with all that knowledge, basically, I think it would be smart to try to figure out why is that, you know? Basically. And I think you can figure why that is by joining Lil SumSum and just upgrading just Lil SumSum and your approach and your technique and your whatever it may be. And that's something that, you know, we can help you unlock. And once that unlocks, man, sky's the limit. Plus, we also know how you're trading and how you're thinking, and we're looking for the same stuff, you know, the exact same things, exact same moves, with just another edge or two in it. So it's not rocket science. It's not like we're trying to like change the whole game up. We just, like AB said, moving logically, just moving logically. Yep, this year's been an odd one, but that's the markets, you know, it will always change. You gotta adapt, and that's part of the game. That's why, you know, when, you know, people try to say things have to be this way or that way, it's rubbish, bro. It does not have to be one way, because the market will tell you the truth that it can't be, because you will lose for the next 6 months. So I'm not trying to say that, you know, that strategy doesn't work, but there's a time and place for everything, is what I'm trying to say.
That's so true.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's not like we don't trade the higher time frame strategy, because we still do that. But again, when the market is not giving you that kind of structure that you're looking for, then we adapt. We just learn to adapt to what the market does, and quite honestly, it's helped out a lot of people. You can, like I said, pull up to the Discord. You can talk to the people there in the community, and you can see how good has it changed their trading career.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like you said, we take the high time frame setups too, like this one in this session. We had this breakout on the 15. Got a nice top wick, we broke the highs, and then we got the break of the lows. So yeah, we still take those setups, but they are really appearing rarely this year. That's the thing. You don't really see a lot of good setups forming on the higher time frames. And that's because the markets are pretty quick. And that's why the other strategy is so highly profitable, because it's just, you know, you're ready when the volume pops in. You're ready to be there.
Hey, W though.
Nice.
Way to get break even on that.
Yeah, it should have pushed there on a break.
Peace, Alex. Have a blessed day, G. Enjoy those profits.
W. Yeah, what a trade.
Right.
Alex, enjoy the day.
Man's been killing it. Alex on charts. Go follow him on IG.
I mean, let me put TND's entry on the chart. So you get in right.
Yeah, I think they think we're lying.
There.
It's not time to lie over here. Trust me.
This is the trade TND took. on the 1 minute.
Not just TND. It was quite a few members.
Yeah, not
that
just
took this
in
trade.
There's just an example of his entry, and we had some people getting in with some limits, and I mean but this is all based off, I mean, you know, everybody took the same trade on the same level, so yeah.
Yeah, quick 50, 60 pips and enjoy the day.
Yep.
That's how trading should be. You should. I mean, these lower time frames, you see them a lot more often, so it's a lot easier to stay on the desk and try to build up your capital. But you take one good limit order, one good trade, and call it a day. Like that's all you need. A quick 60, 100 pips and out.
Yeah, like yesterday. For me at least. Yeah, but after seeing Asia like missing our entry couple of pips for 3 times, and then why I put it just like 10 pips up. Okay, we are back up. Let's see if it rejects. Could reject again, we could come straight back down.
Mm-hmm.
Kinda like the sell stop on the break of these lows.
Yeah, that's impulse game.
Yeah, that's a 5 minute. I mean, if you grab
Mhm.
these highs on the previous highs on the 5 and then just instantly come back down, break these lows, looks good to come down, but I don't have the data yet, so let's just watch it. And we also didn't break the highs either.
Yeah. Kind of in a bit of a no man's land for me.
Yeah.
Right at the VWAP. VWAP.
I was about to say we're right at Awkward's view up. Yeah, and NQ's not doing much either.
Let's see if it breaks through this level here. I know I really wonder what we do up here if we get that.
About to hit the gym. It's nice seeing y'all. I'll be considering the hey, bro, for sure. Join us. We'd love to have you. Have a blessed gym session, bro. And thank you for coming by, Sly. Big W.
W Sly, was nice seeing you here.
All you need is a little something. Trying to tell you, Sly.
Man, NQ ain't doing nothing.
Looks like we close above on the 15.
IB high coming in. 47.80.
Yeah, might.
Show.
I don't like buying here.
Same.
It's just
It's not worth it.
all this chop.
Yeah.
You got a lot of volume, but I don't know. We could just, you know, dip in here and then come down. Because too much
Yeah.
noise.
Yeah.
Maybe
Like I said,
you're holding full on those buys. Sorry, Aaron.
76.1. It hit.
Should have hit it right there. There you
Yeah.
go. Full TP for AB.
maybe the GOAT.
That's 2K.
Shit. That's fire.
So we got no bottom wick. We just pushing up. I'm starting to like these cells up here, man. But AB said it's not valid. What the hell, AB?
You need confirmation candle once it taps.
Yeah. We get a red candle after
So
tapping it.
maybe wait for like the maybe wait for like a T and D entry.
It's coming.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Tap perfectly.
Those famous words that right before Lil SumSum started. One red candle and I'm in.
You're right.
Oh my
So
god.
many famous words. One green candle of it is definitely one.
Look at that reaction.
Yep.
Team
Perfect.
shit. I
Yeah,
like that. Let's T and D this. That's insane, Andy.
Yeah, you're crazy.
No, baby. That's for me. Me only. W, bro. AB, man. Just so you guys know, this man just made 2K on a 50K account on one trade. Honestly, if I don't see this stuff, I wouldn't believe it either. That's why you got to get in here, because it's crazy. And no, he's not doing this like off stream after he blew everybody's accounts. Like, this is happening live. Like, we all watching this. We all seeing this. It's beautiful. Crazy.
I mean, he dropped the signal. He dropped the
Right, he
signal.
dropped the signal.
You dropped the signal.
Got that one way too early. Yeah, it's all right, Ocker. W though.
Even if AB is not here, man. Even if he's not on stream, he's still dropping in the signal, letting everybody know.
Cody trying to have a hard time pushing. NQ's not doing anything.
But yeah, even to back
Still
off
waiting.
that, if you guys are on YouTube, you guys are sick of just blowing your account, sick of all the industry crap, man, hey, come to Lil SumSum. We're waiting for y'all. Got a great community. Everyone trying to build each other up. Everybody winning. Everybody eating. It's a great time. So, yeah, feel free to join our Discord. Shout out YOLO. And yeah, we would love to have you guys. So, welcome.
Yeah. Yup.
Hey.
Tamer, let's go.
Nice.
I love seeing Tamer win.
Every session, bro, this man's winning. 861 on the deck.
Every 5 minutes, you mean?
Bro, that was one of the funniest things yesterday. He's like, "This is Tamar's backyard." I was really crying laughing. That's why we named this Tamar's backyard.
Tamer's been killing it, man. You deserve it.
I gave him the GOAT status. My boy Eden.
Let's go.
And she goes.
Back down to VWAP. I'd be high, right back down. BRB, brothers.
Hey.
Amazing
BAB.
community. W.
Yo. Yogi. Welcome. To see you in here.
Yogi.
Welcome to the students.
Smart man right there.
Mhm.
Welcome, Yogi.
W's. Can't wait for George to be back. I miss him
Right?
already.
I was thinking that too. I miss you, George. Shout out George VDM.
Watch video.
Might have to pull up the Asian today, bro.
Asian.
Man, honestly, Asian has been very slow these past few days.
Yeah.
So you're saying the volume is shifting back to London? Bro, London today,
Hey,
it might move London. Maybe.
Oh yeah, what happened in
it
London?
had nice moves.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, it could be shifting over to London now, but I know at least while we were there, price was really just chopping around, making these wicks that we were running into earlier. It's I don't know. It's not bad. I mean, you do see some moves playing around. Maybe some TJLs, but I think the majority, really, price was just going in one direction, and it wasn't like stopping.
Right. You're like, stop. You're like, nope. It's almost walk time, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I want to see how this 4 closes and then maybe give it another 15. See if something forms. But I don't like this range we're playing right now. We're just chopping up and down and this can't really find a clean direction to continue.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for NQ also to do something.
Did NQ break all-time highs?
No,
Oh.
it's
Yeah, right.
been chopping around right there too.
Alright, Lydia. See you later. Take care. Have a nice day.
There, Lydia.
You're also a little tired. Bitcoin is up 5%. You're lying, Coinbase. It's only 3.
And New York. Why do you have to chop around all day?
Yeah.
I think that was a trade though. That AB trade.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
For sure.
Yeah, sell limit up here would have been the one.
Peace, Lydia. Have a blessed day. Thank you for coming through.
I'm gonna rewatch the bootcamp on the weekend again. It's gonna be
For
like my
sure.
weekends for the next few weeks. Just rewatching the bootcamp.
In your brain.
What again?
I said until it's ingrained in your brain, basically.
Yeah, until I
Yeah.
don't even have to draw it anymore. I just see it.
W.
And then we're gonna catch these trades, like 10 a day. I mean,
said
if we
10 a
have,
day.
imagine we have like 10 ABs looking out for trades like that. We're
True.
never gonna miss a move. We're gonna be like Tama, because Tama is like, Tama has 10 hands and
He's got the eagle eyes.
20 eyes. He's seen everything. He managing all the trades.
Still doing too many mistakes. It's okay, Tim, because you're taking such great trades and you're collecting so much data, which you're able to then filter out what works for you and what doesn't. So just keep going, bro. Really, it's great to see. Beautiful.
I love that you're absolutely not scared to execute.
Yep. Big strength right there.
Yeah, really, that's a big strength in trading. You're not scared at all, man. And at the same time, you're still taking your setups. You're not just jumping into random trades, right? So, W.
Big W. Alright, hopefully you
4
lap
hour close.
back up.
Yeah, I kind of like this. So the 4 close bearish. 15 close below this one, but it closed above
Back in the
here.
cell.
Yeah, the thing is we close above the most recent 15, so I can't take this.
Barely though.
Yeah, 30 close above 2 slightly. Still close below this. And that's the problem with these choppy ranges, right? Because now we closed above this, but we closed below this. So basically we are like inside a mini range on that closure. And now what we do? Is it bullish? Is it bearish for us? 15 says bearish, 30 says bullish. Ball just opened, so I guess we just gotta wait on another 15 to see what's going on. Maybe it grabs the lows, comes up, grabs the highs again, and then close like this. Then we can take the sells in this range.
Confirmation.
Yeah. The move down makes sense, because we tap these levels and everything, but then if we now jump into this trade and take a loss, it would be my fault, so easy to avoid that by just waiting on a confirmation.
100%. We jump into it early and we take the loss, and we gotta hit the fake trade button, you know?
It's always better to not take a loss, you know, just miss the trade.
You're right.
Instead of just jumping onto it because you don't want to miss out on a move, because moves happening every day, every session, every minute, kind of on you know, you can hop through 20 pairs and find a move every day, basically every 10 minutes somewhere. So yeah, be selective, take your moves only, and that will already boost your P&L up.
Preach. For real. It's a different level. First thing I noticed when I got here, bro. I was like, yo, the discipline is a different level.
It's kind of like I was so undisciplined when I started trading, and then it burned me so much that I just understood, okay, I have to limit myself. I have to be selective on the setups and not just jump into trades because I have a feeling. No, I have a feeling that this will go down, but that doesn't help me.
Got a feel. Ooh. Voice crack.
Southlander. Tama, you're so funny.
Could I be low? Life? See what happens.
Yeah, this looks good to go down. Now, I mean,
Yeah.
but yeah, that closure above, sadly. Could have
Yeah.
closed below a little bit and I would have been in.
I think that's gonna do it for me.
Yeah.
Timer.
That was
Let's see
Tell
that.
me.
Is he in? Don't tell me he took it. Oh my god. Tell me, bro. What a beast.
Do you like the sell? Yeah, the problem. Yeah, I mean, we just talked about it. We close above. That was the problem. The 15 closed a little bit weak. I mean, we could have closed a little bit stronger there and then W. But now, what I would be looking for the rest of the day, since if we go back, let me remove these lines for now. And if you go back to the daily, when we broke down the charts, we talked about how the daily tapped into these resistances on the daily and also into these wicks. So this is a extremely nice zone for gold to reject from on the daily time frame. Based off that, we were kind of bearish on the day, so I'm still thinking it is possible for Goldie to at least flip and break the daily lows. If we're gonna fill this wick, I don't know, but I think we can come down and retest those lows. So for the rest of the session, what I would be looking for is probably some nice closures below here, because like Lewis mentioned earlier, in Asia this support held off. You had a bearish resistance form pretty nice here at this one, so you're gonna think you can sell off, but just like now, we didn't close below. As you can see, we didn't close below, we closed right at it. And if you stick to the rules here and don't take it, you didn't took a loss, and that's why we stay out. Sometimes it will just play out, you know, like it did here, but on the long term you gotta stick to the rules, and then it will make you more money than not sticking to the rules, because yeah, that's just what the data told us. But yeah, anyway, what again, we got, if you get closures below 47.56 and you get maybe some nice support before that, and then a fresh breakout, top wick, you know how the deal is, and then break the lows, looks good to come maybe down into these areas, close some partials here at this wick, and yeah, mainly bearish for the rest of the day. But if this holds and you get some range 2 supports, let's say somewhere up here, you might be able to get the buys back up, but then you have all this shop again, right? So yeah, sells are way cleaner.
W.
All right, I guess just gonna watch the charts from the sideline now, and if I see something, I'm gonna let you guys know in the students chat. But yeah, I think it needs some time to form some more structure right now.
Agreed. W session though, bro.
W. Yeah, I might watch the bootcamp a little bit on the side now.
Hey.
Hey, W.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all.
Yeah,
Peace,
what a
gang.
session.
TD.
Yep. We'll be back, what, in Asian, right? Next.
Yep.
And
Market
Yes,
open,
sir.
baby.
Yeah, back in the-
yep, updated in the Discord. So let's get it. Have a blessed day, everybody. And thank you for pulling up to the stream, and thank you for showing love in Discord. And yeah, you guys know the deal. See you guys later. And remember, all you need is a little something.
Hey.
Sorry, Black Forest Water.
Oh yeah, for real. Shout out Black Forest Water. My bad, I forgot. It's all right.
Yeah, shout it. And also, there was one more thing. Yeah.
Shout out
Anyway, shout out George. Yeah, and we preserved the capital. That's all that matters. That's what I wanted to say.
Bing, bing, bing.
We come back tomorrow. Peace.
Yes, sir.
Peace, peace.